Hi, I'm Niharika. I'm from Bangladesh. You all know that oil palm is one of the most important vegetable oil in the world because it's not only used as vegetable oil, it also used for cosmetics, using for electricity, and most important is used for as a biofuel. But most of the oil palm plantation is in Malaysia and Indonesia, but they are expanding their land use by cutting down the tropical forest. But it emits lot of carbon dioxide when you cut down the tropical forest. But the oil palm is most economically important crop in Malaysia and Indonesia. So we need to find out a solution where we can maximize the yield in one piece of land without cutting our tropical forest. So BMP is a very important management approach. It was introduced to reduce the yield gap and to produce better production in small piece of land. That's why we can produce more production from the small piece of land without cutting our forest. Now it's very important to check the BNP, how sustainable, environmentally sustainable it is. Is it sustainable? Does it emit a lot of emission, greenhouse gas emission? To find out that solution, I am working on Malaysia and Indonesia, and I have been taking greenhouse gas samples from the plantations. And as a part of BNP, to manage the soil, actually the farmers, they are using the organic residues coming back from mill, and they're using in the field, and when they cut the front stack, they also use it in the field. So we can assume that they are adding lot of organic residues in the field, and for that I am taking sample from the plantation, and I have seen that BNP can store more carbon than any other conventional practice management system. To see the greenhouse gas emission, I have been using a big static chamber to collect the soil gas samples from the plantation. And the plantation is quite big, and to reduce the variability, I am using the big static chamber. And I have been collecting the greenhouse gases from the plantations. And in near future, I will analyze the gas samples and would look at how much greenhouse gases are emitted from the plantation, and what are the effect of fertilizers, especially chemical and organic fertilizers, in the greenhouse gas emission in the plantation. So in near future, I will make a modeling, then I will know the whole system is sustainable or not. So if you are interested about my project, about oil palm, or about greenhouse gas emission, or about the sustainability of the world, please contact with me. Thank you.